Hi everyone, we're going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use a voice recording service or website called Vocaroo.com. This is free to use and it's very simple. There are many ways you can use voice recordings in your classroom. You could have students practice their fluency and record it for you. You could have two students debate something and record that for you. You could have students comment about something they've watched in the classroom. You could have students use a recording from a script to layer it over a movie that they're creating. So lots of different uses and possibilities for using this program. All right, let's get started. So I'm at the Vocaroo website, that is Vocaroo.com. Once you arrive there, it's a very simple interface. You'll see right in the center of the screen here, there's a button that says click to record. When I tap on click to record, it's going to ask me for access to my microphone, and as soon as I allow that, recording will begin. Let me show you what it looks like. Here's the allowing the microphone. I am now recording on Vocaroo. Everything I'm saying is being captured and being recorded, and I know that recording is occurring because this red pulsating outline is going around my recording button here in the center. All right, let's see what it looks like. So I'm going to click to stop. And if I know I messed up, I can go right to retrying that recording. Or if I'd like to check it out first before I save it, I can click on listen. I am now recording on Vocaroo. Everything I'm saying is being captured and being recorded. And I know that recording is occurring. All right, so it did capture the words I was saying. I'm pleased with how it sounds, and so now I want to save my recording. I'm going to go down here where it says happy with this recording. Click here to save. One of the best things about Vocaroo, besides the fact that it's completely free, is that it provides you multiple ways to save or share your Vocaroo recording. The first way you could share the recording is by using just a hyperlink. So if a student, say, made a recording of their writing, they could put it in a comment as a link on the side of their paper, and you could listen to them reading their own writing. If the student was creating a website and they recorded something that they wanted to share, they could hit embed and get a code to put the recording as a playable file directly into that website. The student might just want to send you a recording and they can email it directly to you. They can also share it on social media or send it through Gmail, or they could download it as a particular type of file. So maybe if they are going to use it later, layering it with WeVideo or with an iMovie, they would want the actual file to be downloaded so they could use it. All right, so I am going to, let's see, I'm going to download the file. If I download the file, you would see the download come into the bottom of my screen here, or if I'm using Internet Explorer, you would see it pop up as do you want to save this or open it. Okay? Another neat thing that they provide is a QR code. And if I take this code and print it and then scan it with a smart device, whether it be an iPad, an iPhone, an Android device, it will automatically open up the recording to play. So maybe if students were doing book reviews of something they read recently, they could get the QR code and place it inside the cover or the jacket of the book, and you could share with one another through Vocaroo QR codes, whether you were pleased with the book or not. So that was a quick synopsis of how to use Vocaroo.com. It really is as simple as open up the website, click record, allow your microphone permission to use, and then stop your recording when you're done. I hope this was helpful to you.